Okay, for MFRS 108, the question say Lolita Berhad policy has been to write off development expenditure to profit or loss at is was incurred. In preparing its financial statement for the year ended 31 December 2006, it has become aware that under MFRS rules, qualifying development expenditures should be treated as intangible asset. So, we must to do a correction of error in applying accounting policy. Okay, for this question, we must do the table. First, the table have date, qualifying development expenditure, amortization, and carrying value. Okay, on 31 December 2003, the qualifying development expenditure is 540,000. We just get from the question, year ended 31 December 2003, 540,000. Okay, for the amortization, we don't have amortization for 31 December 2003 because the question said the company has no development expenditure before the year ended 31 December 2003. And then for the recurring value, we just put 540,000. Okay, on 31 December 2004, the qualifying development expenditure is 780,000. The amortization, we just divide by 3 from the last qualifying expenditure because all capitalist expenditure is deemed to have 3-year life. Okay, so we just divide by 3 and we get 180,000. For the current value, 780,000 minus 180,000 and we get 600,000. Okay, this one is the total for 540,000 plus 780,000, we get 1,320,000. For amortization, 180,000 only. For the current value, 540,000 plus 600,000 and we get 1,140,000 only. Okay, on 31 December 2005, the qualifying development expenditure is 120,000. We get from the question. For amortization, okay, as usual, we just take the last year qualifying development expenditure, 780,000 divide by 3 and we get 260,000. Okay, we must to add the last year amortization, that is 180,000, and we get 440,000. So for carrying value, 120,000 minus 440,000, we get negative 320,000. Okay, this one is the amount, total amount, 1,320,000 plus 120,000, we get 1,440,000. This one is 440,000 plus 118,000, we get 620,000. This one for the current value, 1,140,000 minus 320,000, we get 820,000. On 31 December 2006, the qualifying development expenditure is 630,000. And for the amortization, 120,000 divided by 3, we get 40,000, and we plus the last year amortization, 440,000. Last year and last 2 year amortization, so we get 480,000. For the current value, for X6, 630,000 minus 480,000, we get 150,000.
Okay, for this question, Lolita Berhad, which is the correction error in applying accounting policy. So why we choose applying accounting policy? Because in the question, they say the qualifying development expenditure should be treated as intangible asset. So that's why we choose the applying accounting policy. So for the prepared statement of comprehensive income for the year ended 31 December, the item that we need to record is the change in accounting policy. For the year 2005, the amount of the change in accounting policy is 1140, which is 1140 we get from the carrying value on 31 December X3 and 31 December X4, which is 540 plus 600. We need to take the carrying value because to change in the accounting policy, we need take the new amount. The new amount which is after we minus with amortization. So for the X3, 540 minus with amortization is 0. So that's why the carrying value is 540. And for the year ended 2004, the amount is the cost is 780 and the amortized 180. So after we minus, we get 300. So the total for the change in accounting policy is 1140. For the amount 2006, we get 1 million. 1 million is which is we get from the carry value from the 2000 X3, X4 and the X5. For the X3, X4, same as 2000 X5, and for X6, for the X5, the amount X5 is the negative 140, which is negative 140 we get from the cost for the cost in the question that we are given is 120. 120 is the cost, and the amortized for the 120, which is 780 divided by 3 years useful life, which is get the 260. 260 is the amortized. So the cost is only 120 and the amortized 260. So they show the cost is lower than the amortized. So that's why after we minus it, 120 minus 260, we get negative 140. So 540 plus 600, and then we minus with the carrying value for the X5, which is negative 40. So the total is 1 million.
Lolita Berhad, statement of financial position as at 31 December 2006. We have to calculate for X5 and X6. Intangible asset for X5, we have to collect the amount from X5, which is total from X4 plus with X5. And then for the intangible asset X6, total amount in X6, which is X5 plus with X6, we got 2,070,000. And we have to minus with amortization. Amortization for that particular year, X5, which is 440. The amount we get will from X4 plus with X5, we get 440, and for X6 we get 480, which is from X5 plus with that particular amortization X6, which is 40 ringgit, we get 480. So the total amount after deduct, we get for X5 we will get 1 million, and for X6 we get 1,590,000 ringgit.
Statement in change of equity, the last part. Okay, the first item will be opening brought forward, or we can write it as a 1 January brought forward. Okay, the amount we can refer from our workings in qualifying development expenditure, where the X5 we can get the amount from after sum of the X3 and X4 qualifying development expenditure. Then X6 amount we'll get after sum of the X3, X4 and X5. Okay, the second item is change is changed in accounting policy on intangible assets. Okay. Okay, and the amount, we will get the amount from our SOCI according to years respectively. Amount will be added to create the restate balance. Restate balance, this is the total restate balance. Okay, and for the third item will be the profit for the year. Profit for the year. For the year, where the figure will be referring from our previous working sheets on carrying value part. Then we will add it with the restate balance. Then the result will be will get the total of retained earning for the years in our statement in SOCI of equity.